tell you to buy now or sell now, you are on the wrong stream. But if you're looking for someone who's going to teach you how to trade these markets and the right way, and of course, if you're looking to learn to trade the profitable Forex strategy live, then stick around, you guys, because that's exactly what we're going to do. I hope you guys are doing well. Guys, a quick question. Did the alert go off for the stream today? Did you guys get the stream reminder? Because I didn't get a notification, and I'm seeing a drastically lesser number of people on the session. Nope, I had to join through the London link, had to join. Okay. Okay, makes sense, which is why we don't have too many people on here. I'm just gonna put it out. Give me a quick second. Might just be a little bit of a scheduling error. Let me just take a look. Okay. Alright, so it looks like a scheduling error to me. Just give me a quick second. I'm just gonna put on a message on Discord and let people know that we're live, okay? It's been a year that I'm using Discord and I'm still getting used to it. I hate it. I just can't ever find the right channel. I don't know what it is. Okay. Sorry guys. Like I said, just give me a quick second. I hope y'all are doing well. I hope you guys are having a good day. Did y'all have a good London session with Cash? Did you guys make some pips on London? Okay, I just put out a message, and I think the ones that don't know should come on, okay? DAX W's, yes. Alright, you guys had a good London session. First London for me, so I just watched, of course, absolutely. Didn't want to jump into something I haven't seen move before. Lovely, makes sense, Camper. Welcome. What's up, you guys? What's up? Awesome, okay. Moves are happening, okay? I'm gonna quickly share my screen with y'all. Alright, impulse on Nasty. But guys, we're super close to news, alright? 10 more minutes to news, so if you guys want to get in on an impulse, knock yourself out, okay? But just know that this is only an impulse. What are the buys looking like? The buys are looking exactly like that on Nasdaq. We could get a nice little zone fill up there. Let's wait, maybe a little bit of a retest rejection, and you could get something of that sort. And of course, if we want to short the market, we want to break past the buyers that are going to come right here at our demand zone, and maybe we go back down to there. This looks good to me. There, okay? So that's the buys and the sells, quick scalps in and out, and it's pretty clear for the dirty. Zone 1, Zone 2, and if we have volume to pop for news, Zone 3. Okay, and the shots are gonna be here down to our daily. Okay, so that's nasty and the dirty. Bigger break of structure up above there, so on news, if we happen to break that, good, you have an entry sitting right over there, okay? We are coming into some, well, potentially some divergence that may begin to play out. So let's see. Can't really say right now, okay, you guys? We also have FOMC projections coming out later today. So please be careful, okay? It's starting to look good. Bigger break of structure up above that, but for my one-on-ones, for my aggressive scalpers, my army of millionaires, you guys know where the buys and sells are at, okay? Cool. And I also did some gold for you guys. Gold buys up there. Test that region out. Maybe test that region out as well. Okay. Gold sells down here and lots of room. All right, are you guys in any sort of trades? Is anyone in on anything? What's up, you guys? I am currently not in any trades at all. I'm just watching. Okay, look at that. Solid rejection coming in on Nasdaq. I'm gonna open up the chat real quick. Nothing yet, just watching. I'm on gold buy at 1946. Awesome, 1946. 1946, you're in from the bottom over here. Okay, looks good. You're in a risk-free spot. Looks nice. Okay. I'm currently in on nothing. Alright, I'm just watching. 7 more minutes to news. I'm gonna chill. Take it easy for the next 7 minutes. Just monitor the candles. Try and decipher price action. And we'll take an informed decision then. Okay? Okay. What do you guys want to have open for news? Are we looking at the indices? Are we looking at the indices, or are we looking at gold? What do you all want for news? I like the indices a little more right now. But again, I'm not pressing for anything. Gold. Okay. Got a lot of gold diggers here. I love it. Alright, so we're having a little bit of an impulse on the dirty. Let's see, you guys. Let's see. Okay, 4 more minutes. Let's look at Goldie. Aggressive scalpers. Let's look to break that zone. Okay, I'm gonna quickly switch this up. Again, it may or may not happen, but let's look to maybe break this region and buy into that supply that could be coming right about there. Okay. Let's have that as TP1. And of course, if the cells want to kick in, then we're naturally going to look down here. Sorry, you guys, I'm just taking a quick minute to smoke a quick one. Alright, now get done in time for news. We have about 2 more minutes to go. Gold's looking good to me. Alright, straight up. Gold's looking good to me as well. Nasty seems a little choppy. Okay, I like the sell pressure coming in. But it looks a little choppy to me. All right, gold. If it happens, we could really get that pop. Okay, I like gold. You know what? I'm gonna get in on a little bit of a gold feeler, you guys, and I'm gonna have my stop loss all the way here at demand. Now, if you guys are trading the funded accounts, y'all know what could happen. Okay, y'all know how y'all could get caught in slippage and all of that good stuff, and they usually have extremely horrible spreads that get triggered and all of that good stuff. That's just a 25-30 pip zone. My feelers are $1 a pip. If it goes against me, I'll be down by $25 or $30. Doesn't really matter to my account. Okay, so I'm just gonna get in with a little bit of a feeler on gold. Okay. Awesome. I'm in on a feeler. Okay, there you go. Gold's trying. I'm gonna be trigger finger on gold in case it happens, okay? Even if that means I may get caught on a dirty spread, but it is what it is. Okay, let's see. We've got 20 seconds to go. Let's have a good one, you guys. Please, please, please don't be using very big lots. Use the right risk management. Don't be stressing too much. Take it easy, and let's have a good one, okay, you guys? I'm looking to break that high. 5 seconds. This is news. Let's have a good one. All right. Boom. There you go. Okay, I just hit buy. I'm running by about 10, 17 pips right now. I'm going to change this to break even really quickly. 19.94. Okay, I'm in a break even trade right now, and I am up by 12 grand. 12 grand and counting. I'm going to pull the shit out of this. I'm done. I'm closing this position. I'm going to leave just $5, $50. I just pulled out 9,200, and I have another $50 running on break even, and it's up by about 30 pips. Boom, you guys. Gold was the move. Beautiful, beautiful move. I told you guys where to have your stop loss in case you got in for the feelers. As you can see, your stop loss wouldn't have been triggered. I pulled out my profits from this. My runner is still running by 10 pips. Who caught that with me? I want to see W's in the chat, and I want to know who caught gold with me. Lovely, lovely, lovely move, you guys. The ones that said gold, y'all know what was up. Y'all know what was happening. But that was the move, okay? Realize your profits because this thing can come back and move against you real quick, okay? You saw me. I got in. I got out. I pulled out $9,090, all right? 90 is what I pulled out, and that was with 45. Okay, that's... Excuse me, you guys. Sorry about that, but I just pulled that out with, okay, and my runner got stopped out at break even. No problem, so I made 90 on this trade, all right? 90 with $500 a pip. Lovely, lovely, all right? Beautiful move. Clean break rejection. And if you haven't taken a trade, it's all good. Wait for this candle to close, and y'all don't have to trade the impulse, okay? But my one-on-ones, you guys that caught that impulse with me, I love you guys. All right? This is beautiful. Congratulations. I'm so happy for y'all. It makes me so happy to see that you guys are trading these impulses with me now. And it's amazing. It's amazing. Okay, good for y'all. Congrats. I'm literally done. Okay, I've surpassed my daily target by almost 3 times. I'm done. I'm really happy. Okay, I'm gonna stick around for a bit, probably trade with the guys for some time that haven't really, with the guys and girls that haven't taken any sort of position so far, and maybe get you guys another position. But this is how you guys want to be trading these markets, all right? 15 minutes, 20 minutes, get your move, take your pips, take what's yours, and run, all right? You don't need to be clocking overtime in these markets. It's just not worth it, but beautiful. First win on news. Congratulations, buddy. You've been doing this long enough, all right? So it's high time that those wins on news and the impulses kick in for you. But beautiful. Okay, and when it comes to break of structure, sorry, you guys. Okay, when it comes to break of structure, what do we do over here? We had the impulsive break on our break of structure. Yes, because news shot in with an injection of volume. Naturally, we had an erratic candle, which is why I told you guys have a larger stop loss. Oh, wow, I didn't even check the indices. But yes, choppy, okay? I don't like this. We basically just, I don't like this. I'm glad we were looking at gold, okay? At least gold had a reason to do what it did, all right? So we had the break of our zone. We then had a retest. Yes, the retest was large. It was because we had an erratic candle. We had a news folder release. We had some erratic movement. Boom, rejected right from there, pushed, and your entry sitting right there, okay? If this played out perfectly for some of you guys, how many pips is that? 33 pips, okay? Still early and winning and learning more. Awesome. That's what we strive to do here at Forex Trading, okay? Like I keep telling you guys, y'all would have heard the intro time and again. We're not a buy or sell channel, but we're here to teach you guys how to trade these markets, okay? We're here to educate y'all, and we're just here because we know this is achievable by everyone, all right? If we can do it, you guys can, and that's all we're trying to pass on to y'all. But lovely, man. What a move. What a move. I was so close to staying on the indices for news. I swear. When everyone said gold, I was like, wait, am I missing something? And I opened up gold, looked at the higher time frames on my MetaTrader, and I spotted a nice, sexy level of demand sitting right there at the 30 minutes. All right. And I was like, okay, maybe the guys are seeing something that I'm not seeing, all right? So it was this zone that I was looking out for, and again, it looks like we needed to fill this, the liquidity up here in order to move either back to the downside or push up higher from there, okay? So for me, just based off of this demand sitting down here, I knew that this would be a nice tight stop loss for our trade, and the move worked out, all right? So thank you guys. The gold trade was on you guys today, the ones that said we should be trading gold, okay? So I'm thanking y'all today. I appreciate you guys. I like the look of nasty cells. Yeah? Not as yet, though. Not as yet, okay? Too much of chop over here, too much of a range, too many wicks. Sells don't kick in not till we break past these buyers that are sitting down here, okay? Same story with US 30. The buyers don't kick in till we don't break past the sellers that are sitting up here at our supply zone, okay? If we want to get the move, let's break past our supply, demand, okay? That's when we'll potentially get the move. Bro, what about EURJPY? We don't really trade EJ on the streams over here. We stick with the indices, and with the forex pairs we usually do GBP USD and EURUSD, but EURJPY is not something we do here, at least as of now, maybe in the future, but it's just it's not a pair that really excites me too much. Okay, and gold's still pushing. We break that high. Where are we going to? We're going to there. Okay, keep an eye on that. Is anyone still holding gold? I've completely liquidated. I tried to put out a partial today, but because of the erratic movement, it pretty much stopped me out at break even with my $50 a pip. I was up by about 30 pips on that, so I was up by about 1,500 at one point, but then it just reversed because it was an erratic candle, and it was all done. It was all done right there. Okay, so is any of you guys still in on this trade though? No, I closed. Go to the moon. Yes, I still have a runner. You're from India, right? My first live session. Yes, I am. Awesome. Welcome to Forex Trading, buddy. Kurt, you're still in on gold? Make that money, brother. Make that money. That moolah is yours, okay? Take it. Take it and run. Don't let the markets take it back from you. Have a stop loss and profit. Good. You're using a trailing stop. That's actually a really good point. Okay, if you guys want to be using a trailing stop now, you have your zones right here. All right, so you have the 4-hour resistance. Well, it's support now. Have this as your stop loss. If this candle closes above our supply, successfully makes it demand, you can then move your stop loss up all the way to this region. Okay, maybe somewhere over here below your demand zone. All right, so use the trailing stop. Book as much profit as you possibly can, and keep taking it. I close on 20 pips profit. Lovely. I did too. I exited at about 20 pips. One trade, guys. That's all you need. One trade. Literally. I keep telling everyone on the mentorship program. I keep telling everyone on the one-on-ones. All you need is one trade. Learn to pick quantity. Oops, my bad. Learn to pick quality over quantity, okay? Because the more trades you take, the more chances these markets have of taking those lots in your contracts against you. You don't want to get to that point. You want to make sure you're risking how much you want to risk and stick by your rules, okay? Your rules are your Bible. Stick by that. Okay, potential double bottom maybe in the works right now. For that, we're going to have to retest that demand zone. Too much chop on the dirty. Alright, they attempted. They went up till there. Let's see if they have more momentum to close up there in the next 2.5 minutes. Why am I on the 3 minutes? Okay. Let's see if they have it in them to close up there in the next 45 seconds, okay? Guys, this better convert into success stories, man. Straight up, alright? This better convert into success stories. That was a clean freaking move on gold. Even if you didn't trade the impulse. Okay, I want to know, we have close to 50 people on this call right now. How many of y'all traded the impulse? And how many of y'all traded the retest rejection of this move? Because even if you traded the retest rejection, you're still in a 21 pip move right here, okay? If you're using the 10 pip rule, this question's for the one-on-ones, you guys, okay? But how many of you guys traded the impulse and how many of y'all waited for the entry-exit strategy to play out? Come on, you guys. Don't be lazy. Message on the chat, alright? Message on the chat, one-on-ones, you guys. Let me know what y'all did. Traded impulse, impulse, impulse. Wow, lots of impulsive traders over here. Both traded retest rejection, impulse, impulse. Missed it, impulse only, impulse. I went in with the Corolla and got triggered. 2 minutes later, glad it was just a Corolla. Missed, not gonna lie, was watching Nasdaq. Impulse. Okay, we have a lot of people that traded that impulse. Wow, look at you guys. Alright, look at you guys. Okay. Nasty's playing out. Alright, Nasty is playing out. That's again an impulse on Nasdaq. I'm not taking this personally. I told you guys US 30 may be coming down to make that double bottom. As you guys can see, we push right back down into our demand. We're picking up demand from here. The buys could look good as long as we close above our supply. And let's see if Nasdaq wants to close below our box and wait for the retest rejection, okay? The volume has now died out. It's been 10 minutes since the news has come, so try and not trade the impulses now, okay? Even if that means this is going to shoot all the way down, if you guys are going to be trading the impulse on this, you'll need to know it's going to be a risky one. Okay, but it's going down to hit TP, you guys. It's going down to hit TP. Gold still soaring high, attempting to hit our TP up there that I'd marked out for you guys. Overbought in gold. Okay, Nasdaq hit exactly TP on the impulse. And if you guys didn't get in on this, wait for the retest rejection. It's really no problem at all, okay? Should I move stop loss to supply? 100%, bro. You're running big time. Look at that. Okay, they hit TP. Where's the next level they're attempting to go to? Somewhere here. move your stop loss, book profits up until here, maybe the bottom of that candle. Let's see how this candle closes. Wait for the retest, rejection, and then you could maybe you could trail your stop loss somewhere to this region, which is the previous wick, okay? But for now, let your stop loss be somewhere here. You're freaking running big, bro. Good for you, man. Congratulations. That's a nice, chunky candle that you're making some big bucks on. Wow. Damn it! If only my runner hadn't hit my break-even stop loss, I'd be up by quite a bit right now, you guys. I'd be up by a good. Fuck me. I'd be up by $50 times about 60 pips. Okay, that's all good though. I'm not complaining. I got what I had to. I'm up by 3x of my expected profit for the day. I'm good. I'm not gonna complain about it. I take what's mine from these markets and I walk away, you guys, because if I don't take what's mine, there are a million retail traders sitting out there to grab exactly what's mine, okay? So you guys need to make sure you'll just take what you get and walk away. Okay, Nasdaq. Let's wait for a close on Nasdaq. And maybe Nasdaq will end up doing something like that. Okay? Maybe. But again, the sell is not triggered as yet. When is the sell going to be triggered? When it closes into our box. The indices are starting to get slow. Okay, the volume's dying out. Let's see if we have a little bit of an injection in the next 40 seconds. Are you taking entry in on Nasdaq? No, I'm not. I'm done trading for the session, buddy. I just made 9 grand on gold. I'm done. Okay, solid rejection kicking in from demand. I like that. Doesn't look like they want to close in our box. Look at that. Just a liquid pool that needed to be filled and nothing else. Okay, they closed it right back up, so no sells as yet. Wow. Christ, bro. Are you still... Make this your stop loss, Kurt. That's going to be your stop loss now, okay? That region, find that wick, and change your... Oh, you know what? Screw it, man. Just make this your stop loss. Book the profits as much as you're getting them. Literally, make that your stop loss. If it goes against you, it's all good. You still made like 70, 80 pips on this move. The golden boys? Yeah, man. We're all gold diggers today. We're all making money on gold. I love it. I love it. Bro, legit. If I were you, Kurt, that would be my stop loss right now, okay? Book those profits, man. Book those profits. Intense. What a freaking move on gold, you guys. What a freaking move on gold. How many of you guys caught gold? We better have a good number of people that caught gold, okay? It's given you multiple chances to get in. Literally. Even if you didn't trade the impulse, you had one chance over here, retest rejection, another chance over here, retest rejection, another chance over here. You literally, using the entry exit strategy, you had, not counting the impulse, but you had 3 chances of getting in using the entry exit strategy. If you guys didn't get in on this, I mean, I don't know what to say, okay? I love gold. Gold member. Lovely. Okay. Lots of gold traders today. I like. Exactly. Space, you don't need it, bro. You're absolutely right. You don't need it, okay? Use what's working for you. When the time comes, switch then, alright? But till then, use what's working for you. Should have left a runner, but I'm all out. Same, bro. I tried leaving a runner as well. Got stopped out at break even. It's all good, though, okay? Another impulse on Nasdaq. It could break this low, yes. But I want you guys to treat this as an impulse. Short at the top of gold. Awesome, man. Book that, because it could just go back up as well. Okay? Book it. It's on VE? Okay. The Dow is starting to look more and more like a double bottom. Solid moves, you guys. I love it. Guys, you're literally, it's unreal to think about it, but you know, the more I think of it, the more even I feel that it's crazy, man. Literally, the ones that attended both sessions today, y'all had two solid sessions for New York and for London. That's freaking unreal, man. Um, you guys better be making some serious bucks on this. I mean it. 1.3 on gold. I'm done. Easy. Yeah, man. Good stuff. Today's markets, they even though they were choppy, they were a lot easier to read though, right? Today's markets, we had nice tight zones that we were looking to break, and we successfully broke them. This better translate into success stories, you guys. That's all we ask from y'all, okay? We're doing this as a free service to y'all. All we ask for in return are some success stories and some Twitter posts. Just let the world know what we're doing, because believe it or not, in the next couple of months, it's going to be Forex trading everywhere, okay? It's our time to shine, and you guys are lucky you're here at the start, because this is not going to be a group that's going to be accessible to just everyone and anyone, okay? I promise you guys that. Y'all know us. We chase quality and not quantity, and we're looking to build our army of millionaires. And our army of millionaires are going to be the ones that are here from the start, that religiously trade with us, that work with us, and basically just give back value to the community, just the community we're building, okay? So keep at it, you guys. Keep at it. We're only getting started, Vanessa. We're only getting started. Okay, so gold doesn't seem like not gold, my bad. Nasdaq doesn't seem like it wants to close. Okay, that's actually an impulse that closed. Retest of our now turn supply. I don't like the sells not till we break that wick, okay? If you guys want to get in on a quick scalp, but you'll need to know there's this wick sitting right there as well. That's going to be some traffic. There's that as well. So just watch out. Be careful. Nasi is getting rejected from the 200. Yeah. Yeah, but that doesn't mean that they can't break below the 200. Anything could happen, right? That's what I said. You have this area here, that area there, but if they close below the 200, best believe that they're trying to go down to test some lower lows. I'm not going to stay on for market open today, you guys. I'm just going to see the early momentum with y'all in the next 9 minutes, and I'm going to call it a session, okay? If the buys want to kick in on Nasdaq, y'all know where it's at. It's above our supply. Don't be trading that zone in between. Okay, so that's the trend line that we broke. What does that mean? It means that we could go up to test about this region, which is half that move, based off of these wicks over here. Alright, and this is still an area that we could get rejected from. Okay, so watch for that, which is why I said stay clear of this zone and just wait for price to actually break our bullish structure in case we want to start longing this market. Stop trading more, bro. You're done. You're done. You're done. 1.3%. That's big gains for a day, man. Gold, like I said, still respecting that region. Let's see. Okay. Maybe if they want to start to push down, you can start looking for some sells on the break of this daily support, and we could then maybe push down. No sound? Do you guys hear me? Okay. Okay. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Okay, is anyone still in any trades at all? Any of you guys? Anyone in on anything, or are we just are you all just watching like I am right now? Space, you're funny, bro. But I admire it. Good stuff. Okay, treat the 5K like a demo, and use it. Good stuff. Fight your demons, camper. Fight your demons. Cheers, my man. Take it easy. Congratulations, and good stuff. I know, I can only imagine, bro. I can only imagine how strange it must be. I can't, like, I haven't traded an account that small in a few years now, and I don't intend on going back to the smaller accounts, but I can only imagine how weird it must be. But the fact that you're able to understand and still stick with the right lots just goes to prove that your understanding of risk management is on point. Okay, so good stuff with that, brother. Okay. Nasdaq closed. Alright, thanks for letting me know. Okay, let's see. We break that, and boom, you're getting a little bit of a push. Maybe to down there. Okay. I would get in, but I don't like the volume. I'm waiting until market open or Ali swap. Yep, Ali swap in the next 4 minutes. So let's see. Okay, I'm just gonna wait for the Ali swap and I'm gonna call it, okay, you guys? I don't want to be on the session for longer than I need to. And let's see. Let's see if we want to get a continuation or if we want to start to push low. Okay, but so far it doesn't seem like they have the volume to do it. So what I like to do in this case is I like to flip this from demand to supply. Let's see if we respect the sellers that are sitting up there. We do news, but I'm not going to be doing FOMC. I don't do FOMC because it's I mean I could if I wanted to, but that's too many free sessions for you guys. I'm just kidding. But no, FOMC is the only thing that we don't stream because of the time zone. Apart from that, we're pretty much doing all news. All major news. The Dirty's really building that double bottom, isn't it? It's really freaking trying. It had gotten pretty clear to me when we were already in this region that this double bottom looks like it wants to happen. Let's see. Let's see. But gold was the move today. The gold buys. That was the goddamn move. Clean move, multiple chances to get in for you guys. I really hope you guys traded this, man. Because it doesn't get cleaner than this, especially on news days. I mean that. Exactly, Space. Too clean. It really doesn't get cleaner than this on news days. Just letting you guys know. Okay, now let's see if Nasdaq wants to respect our supply zone. Or if they're going to break past it and then maybe start gearing up for the buys that are going to come up top. Okay, we have about 45 seconds to the Ali swap. Okay, so far they're respecting supply. The Ali swap may not really even bring too much momentum, okay? Let's just see. Please don't be banking on this to play out. Hi, I'm new here. How do you identify the supply and demand zones? Buddy, there's a ton of information out there on YouTube with how you can identify supply and demand. It's basically just the buyers and the sellers, okay? It's where the orders are sitting, and it's where the buyers could kick in from and where the sellers could kick in from. Cramio legend, my love. Cheers, buddy, cheers. Okay, new level of support that's being formed right there on Goldie. Okay, what does this mean? It means that if we start to break this, we're looking to push down. Okay, that's a new low that we've created. Let's see if we have momentum to get that move. Alright, but so far the Ali swap has done nothing. Nasty, going for a retest. Maybe have a little bit of a rejection. Continue to push down even further, or it just starts to pick up. What is the RSI telling us? The RSI is telling us that it's hovering around the oversold area. They're trying to go oversold. We break the 30, we break these wicks, we're looking to come back down to our daily support. That's if it happens, okay? And this, on the other hand, we are starting to build into some, not as yet, no divergence kicking in as yet, but they're trying. Alright, so we need to get past all of this chop in order for us to get the move. Okay, a little bit of an adjustment to the dirty. And gold's basically died out. Yep, market open. Seems like it's going to be market open. Alright, so guys, do we have any questions at all? Because I'm going to call it a session. Again, we don't need to be trading market open when we've made our pips. And my one-on-ones, the guys that have started trading independently, y'all know who y'all are. Y'all have the levels. Please make sure that y'all aren't going too crazy. Use the levels. Don't get in and get out before anything really happens, okay? Don't chase these trades, is what I'm trying to say. Let the trades come to you. That's what we do here at Forex Trading. Y'all know it. We do what we're good at, which is analyzing these markets, and then we just let the trades come to us, all right? The more you chase them, the farther they're going to run away from you. That's my word to you guys. It's really, I mean it, okay? This is for real, and just learn to bank pips. That's what you need. Bro, one-to-one charges. I'm not sure if we have any slots currently, so do me a thing and just message on our server. Go onto the open chat and just say hi, and Cash FX, my partner, will reply to you in case there are any slots. Okay, she's gonna have to check it, but just make sure you say hi on the open chat right now. iPhone. I don't know what your Discord name is, but yes, please go ahead and do that, and Cash will message you in case we have a spot open with the slots. Okay, look at that. What did I tell you guys? We break that wick and Nasty is going to floor. Alright, straight up went and hit our TP. Now we break this wick. Where are we headed down to? Support. Alright, that's the next zone that we're looking to test out. Guys, this better freaking turn to success stories, man, because I promise you guys, no one's giving you guys this sort of information for free. I'm not even kidding. Neha, congratulations. I just saw your message. I'm happy for you. Good for you. Alright, take it easy now. Do we have any questions at all, you guys, or are we good to call it a session? Cash is going to be on for London tomorrow. You all know it. She's been nailing London. She's literally been doing it every single day for you guys, and she's a freaking rock star. And she just has her way with London, man. Just like she has her way with Nasdaq, she has her way with London. And trust me when I say this, okay? London is harder to trade than New York. Whether you guys know what I'm talking about or not, eventually y'all will find out. And London is a harder session to trade because there's lesser liquidity. All right, but that woman absolutely nails it every single day, and I'm in awe of her for that. And well, for everything else, she is my wife. Yeah, I hope you guys are joining London as well. I hope you'll are banking your pips. Whatever your daily goal is, you guys, whatever you'll do it, whatever it is, make sure you'll split it between London and New York, okay? Just so that you give yourself some room in case things go wrong in a session. You give yourself some room to make that back, right? So say for instance you're risking 2% per day, or you're risking 5% per day, whatever it is that you're risking. Split it, all right? If it's 2, it's going to be 1% on London, 1% on New York. If it's 5, it's going to be 2.5 on London, 2.5 on New York, all right? Whatever it is, but make sure you guys have a plan. Make sure your trade management is right, because if it isn't, it's going to get really, really hard for you guys to trade these markets, okay? So thank you guys so much. I really appreciate y'all. And iPhone, buddy, whatever your Discord name is, please message Cash, and she'll let you know what the situation is with the one-on-ones. Okay, thank you guys so much. This was an awesome session, you guys, and very, very clean. This better translate into success stories. Okay, I want to see some success stories pour in, and I want to see them happen now. Doesn't matter if you guys made $1, $100, it was paper trading, $1,000, whatever it is, it doesn't matter. As long as you guys picked up some value from the session, as long as y'all are exiting the session knowing a little more than y'all did before this session, that calls for a success story within itself, okay? That double bottom starting to become cleaner. Wait for the break up there, and maybe this is a market open move. Can't really say, but it's starting to look real clean, okay? So wait for a nice little break. For the ones that are new on here, you're looking to do something like that. Okay, wait for that to happen. Don't enter in prematurely, because that could completely wreck your account. Thank you guys so much. I appreciate each and every one of y'all. And like I say, we're building an army of millionaires over here, okay? So if you don't know what it is that we're doing, just freaking jump on board, all right? Check out Forex Academy, check out the server. You have any questions, ask them on the lives, or just ask them up. Look at Nasty still dropping, okay? Ask up on Open Chat. We have a lovely community that we've built here over the past year, and everyone is more than willing to help, and everyone is always looking to give back on our server over here, okay? So if you all have any questions, don't worry about stupid questions, not so stupid questions, because the way we look at it, there aren't any stupid questions at all, okay? So make sure that you guys go ahead and ask any questions that you all have. Mods or anyone from the community, for a matter of fact, is going to help you guys out with it, okay? Thank you all so much. I really appreciate you guys. This was a lovely, lovely, lovely session. Have a great rest of the day, afternoon, evening, night, whatever it is, wherever you guys are. And I will catch you guys tomorrow for London and for New York. Watch for these moves to play out. I'm telling you guys, okay? This is going to be beautiful. Even though I'm not on the stream, I may take a small position just to trade how beautifully this is formed. Fuck. Should I wait for another 2 minutes, you guys? This always happens, all right? 32 of y'all are remaining out of 50 of y'all. Are we going to get a little bit of an Easter egg, a little bit of a surprise move? Let's see. Okay, wait for this to close up there though, and look at Nasdaq. All right, Nasdaq's trying to make its way down to our daily support, just like we said it would. Let's see. Okay, we have enough momentum. That's where the TP is going to be, and naturally start looking for the buys on the break of the daily, because you can expect some demand to kick in over here, and you can expect some buyers to step in and just take price slightly higher. It could wake it up. It could be a short-term retracement, but it could also be a nice solid buy move. Okay, so in case you hit this region and you want to start looking for the buys, then you're going to be looking at this break right here. Okay, around this region, that region. So in case we come down and then we start to come back up, the buys are going to be from here, pretty much that wick, back up into your supply. All right, so that was for the guys that stuck around till the end and didn't exit the call before the outro was done, okay, before it was done. All right, so thank you guys so much. Have a great rest of the day. I'm Kram, my partner's Cash, and this is Forex Trading, you guys. Thank you so much for stopping by. We'll see y'all tomorrow. Have a good day, you guys. Cheers. Bye. Get the success stories rolling in, okay? Bye, guys.